Hello YouTube, this is your Kuya DIY Ball Abordo, and today we will have a simple unboxing of the OnCloud Cloudflow 3.0 Black/Turmeric colorway, which got it for a hefty discounted price, which we love. So here is the box. So it is very secure. We ordered this through online. And it is said that this model is light, fast, and fully cushioned. It takes on training and racing in a complete comfort. Also, according to the website, the cushioning is low for low road running style. It is forward rolling. Its lacing is just standard, and the heel to toe drop is tight millimeter. Here we have the detail of the shipment and some instruction for return if you would like to. And here is the actual box, so let us just go around about it. Oops. And here is the detail of our order of our shoe, and some of the key features of the shoe is it is only 280 grams. It is a Speedboard shaper for high speed. It is said that it is re-engineered upper for seamless comfort. It has a built rubber and traction coupler for enhanced grip. And later we will see the bottom part of the shoe. The heel cap fits is now even more precise. But here's detail of the shoe. The Evoled CloudTec outsole for the optimal performance of your running or your training. So here is the grip or the sole. And what we love about this pair of shoe is that it's screaming OnCloud all throughout the design. Even the colorway is very nice. So here is the inside or the sole. Here is the grip, and upon testing it is very creepy, and it fits well for a size 8 foot. Here are some OnCloud accents. This is the standard lacy, which you can upgrade it if you like to a non-lace one. So here's the top, which has detail of the OnCloud Cloudflow. So here's just a overview of the shoe. Is the back part. The OnCloud logo at the sides are reflectorized. Here is the front for a shoe. And that's it. Once again, thank you, subscribe, like, and share.